The repair shop's Amanda Middleditch admits restoration was worse than anticipated. The repair shop teddy bear ladies Amanda Middleditch and Julie Tatchell were given the task of restoring one of their guests' most prized possessions, which saw the family through some tough times. The repair shop stars Amanda Middleditch and Julie Tatchell were given the task of fixing Wall the owl during a classic episode of the BBC series. However, the teddy was far worse off than they had originally thought. As she walked into the barn, the guest explained, "I have brought my owl, he is a bit damaged and very tatty. I remember getting Wall for Christmas when I was just 2. I remember waking up on Christmas morning at my grandma's house and looking over and Wall was in the top of the stocking and it was just love at first sight." Wall is a bit of a talisman for me and connects me to my grandmother because she fixed him so often. Even though I lost her, I kind of hold him and I've still got her and yeah, that's very special. For me, part of his mankiness makes him, so I don't want him back in any way perfect, I would like him to be future-proof. Amanda told the guest that he would be in safe hands, before saying goodbye and getting a closer look at the owl. She explained, "Oh Wall, look at you, he is definitely going to need lining. I think to keep that nice, soft squishiness we're going to need to use fleece. The felt pieces on him need renewing, so beak, feet and maybe just tidy up around the eyes," before Julie added, "Dear little Wall. He is so sweet. I'm looking to see the best way to open him up to remove all his old stuffing, then we will be able to line him." Getting to work, Amanda soon admitted, "I've got the felt pieces of Wall here. I've got the feet, the beak and the eyes.